I bet you have this in your trash right now. It's flimsy, awkward, and honestly, not that inspiring. But today I'm turning this into 4 junk journal mechanisms you'll actually use.
Museful creations, crafted soulfully.
Make number 1, embellishment. I started by cutting 1-inch strips, then 2 additional strips from digital and cardstock. Then I used Versamark pad with one of my ISC images for the focal point. Then I will use superfine white embossing powder to heat set. Then I layered the coupon onto thicker cardstock, and then I covered the thicker cardstock with digital paper. Then I took tea dye and a makeup brush and lightly rubbed on top of the embossed rubber stamp image. Then grab fabric, use an eyelet setter, punch a hole to add an eyelet, and also use a photo corner to attach behind a stamped phrase. This adds a little bit of sass. Add a couple of more embellishments if you'd like, and it will fit perfectly on a junk journal page. Super easy. Next, now let's get more function out of a single mailer. You're going to score at 1 1/4 of an inch, 2 7/8 of an inch, 4 7/8 of an inch, 6.5 inches. Then fold your peaks and your valleys. Next, I'm showing you where I will apply a little bit of glue, and I do this so that I'm able to create a few different pockets. It's completely up to you, but here are some ideas for you to consider doing on your junk journal mailers. I covered most of the coupon with torn scraps of paper, tissue paper, and would leave a little peeking through because it complements the color palette that I'm working on. And here's a little tip. You know that dot matrix paper from way back in the time? Well, I dishevel it a little bit, then I'll add a couple of eyelets, and then I'll string some embroidery floss because I want that embroidery floss to be part of the decorative front pocket of this coupon mailer. So now this gives you 4 usable pockets from one piece. And here I'm showing you the coolest 4-pocket accordion make for your junk journal page. The third make, fold your coupon in half, then fold again. Next, I'm going to cover the front and the back with digital paper, and I did add an eyelet. I will use homemade texture paste. If you would like the recipe, you can send me an email by going to the homepage and scroll down, and my email is available, and I'll share that with you. And I felt that this textured paste would give it a little bit of pop. I will, of course, heat set it, and then I will show you a little tip that I do where I will insert a non-stick baking craft sheet, and then I will spritz it with a little bit of coffee stain that I made, and it just gives the stencil effect a very vintage pop. So this sits right over your junk journal page. You then have a pocket on one side, and then you can also add a second piece of embellishment because you'll glue the bottom and the left. Then you flip your page and you have a third pocket, but you can also add a fourth piece of embellishment of choice on the back. Now our fourth make, you're going to fold your mailer in half. Same idea, different function. Layered front and back, you add different embellishments, a file tab, and a hidden journaling card. This clips right onto the page edge. So from 4 pieces of junk mail, you get an embellishment, 4 pockets, a double-sided page tuck, and a page edge mechanism. Not just folding paper, but thinking differently about what you already have. Let me know which one would you make first.